Andrea Mogensen is in the process of subpoenaing you based on the idea that you were a go-between to get around the Sunshine Law with Sue Lang and Ed Martin and John Moore. There is an email in existence that Sue Lang wrote to you where she asks you to go to go and do these things. I've already spoken with Mogensen, and she has stated that she feels the onus and the problem on this is reflective on Sue Lang and not on you. What is your response to allegations that the papers have them jumped to? They've gone beyond the loop and they've said you were a go-between. You did aid in violating the Sunshine Law. How do you respond?
I respond unequivocally, I did not. And also, just so all of you know, that there were two subpoenas. As the Sunshine Law case is expanding, 4 additional people were included most recently. There was a subpoena for myself, Jim Lees, Jim Marble, and Mike Rafferty, requesting, not of us, a subpoena to go to our email providers, in my case Verizon, and get all of our emails from, in my case, November 1st of last year to August 31st of this year. That was stopped by the city attorney by an objection, saying this was an absolute, and I feel also, an invasion of my privacy. Now that was just too open-ended. They then came back, the judge said, if you restrict your request, I may consider it. So they've issued a second subpoena. Again, not to me. I mean, I didn't know anything about it. I found it out by accident. But to now say, okay, we would like all emails for that same period of time, but only emails between you and these, I think it was 8 other people. And what I have told Bob Anderson, the city attorney, is, I have no problem with that. They can issue that subpoena. I feel very comfortable with anything that I had discussions on the airport and or with city council. I did not act as a go-between between people, and I'm very comfortable with that. But again, it's going to now have to follow a course because her subpoena goes, if approved, which it will be, to Verizon. If they choose to give her the emails, they send it to Bob Anderson. He reviews them and then determines what is appropriate for her legal case or for her legal review. So it's going to be a time-consuming process. But the only thing I can say is I've agreed to go along with what she's requested, and I have no concerns over what's sitting on those emails.